going to show you how to pair and unpair your LG Magic Remote. You want to pair and unpair. Maybe you have issues with the remote. Maybe it can't connect, or maybe you can't pair. Maybe one of the buttons not working, or a couple buttons. Maybe it's like the remote's laggy or whatnot. Anyway, very simple here. Okay, so I currently have it paired to the TV, and I'm going to go ahead and unpair it. Okay, so to unpair it, it's a 2-key combination. Okay, it's the home button and back button. Now take note, your home button may be somewhere else and back button may be somewhere else. Okay, but for me, home button is here, back button is here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and unpair it. So I'm going to press and hold the home button and back button. Press and hold, point at the TV for about 5 seconds, or just wait to the power button here lights up red. Okay, home button, back button, ready, set, go. Press and hold, and just wait until this turns red. Just hold it, wait. Usually it takes about 5 seconds. Okay, there's red. It says remote registration is disconnected. So basically we are unpaired now. Now, if you want to go ahead and pair it, go ahead and make sure you're pointing at the TV. And now with this wheel button here, you don't want to roll it up or down. What you want to do is click it. Okay, that wheel button right here, click, ready? Click. Registering new Magic Remote. Registration failed. Press the wheel OK button again, no problem, it failed. I'm going to press the OK button here. Registering new Magic Remote again, and let's see if this one works now. Magic Remote has been successful. And now it says my Magic Remote battery is low. Anyway, if you guys couldn't do it your first time, take out the batteries, put it back in, try again. Good luck. Or replace the batteries, okay? Good luck, guys.